Right guys, so we've just had a phone call from a local customer. He's done a full engine rebuild on a D22, big end failed. Hasn't got much of a budget. So new crankshaft, new conrods, new bearings, new thrusters, new timing chain kit. He's built engine up, fitted engine, new clutch as well, and it's not running right. So we're going to nip across to his workshop and have a listen to him, because when it comes to a D22 noise, I've heard them all. So I'll give him what advice he needs to do moving forward. But that gives us the opportunity to go to the best chip shop ever.
Right.
The best chippy in Yorkshire. Nice. Stunning.
Ready? It's on the front, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what I said.
All day long. All day long. Which, if it's gonna be that, you're talking a day and a bit's worth of work. I know, mate. I know. Fucking, this is a cruel job. It's a very cruel job. Well, I've got 18 years, nothing but fucking this shit. And yeah, I've had some fucking very good ups, but also some very fucking big downs with it. Because customers cunts, and they never want to pay. They don't like paying first time now. They don't like it a second. They don't like it a second. They think that everything should last forever, and it's like, it doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't work like that. And then, like you said, when you're a one-man band and you've got to answer phones, you've got audio guys,
He can supply that. He supplied everything, not me. I just got.
What about gaskets and exhaust manifold? Didn't you have one? Or is it just RTB that?
Oh no, it's paper gasket.
No,
Is it purple?
Paste.
Yeah.
Paste?
Oh, paste. Exhaust putty paste, yeah.
Yeah, the putty paste. Well, no exhaust gasket.
Well, no.
No.
But
You see-
without a shadow of a doubt, it's either coming from there, and as well, that you can also tell for chain stretch, is the piston comes right out. So it shouldn't be any more than like 8 mil.
No, but if it's
About
it's
that
new.
much.
It's
About that
new.
much.
It's new.
Oh, it's going to be in head then.
Yeah.
It's either that, because it's not a tensioner noise. There's oil pressure getting to that tensioner. That doubt.
Light goes out
Tension,
straight
yeah, tension. Tension makes a different noise. It's the banana guide going like that, you see.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would certainly say inside the head.
It is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah. Right guys, so that was a nasty noise, wasn't it? Ooh, it's absolutely freezing. My ears are cold. Right, so that's either one of two things. Is either fit the camshafts incorrectly, because they've got to go in a particular way. Is either not getting oil to the top tensioner, because you can over silicon where you put the cylinder head when you rebuild the engine, or the actual chain itself is excessively stretched. So I've advised him and he knows what he's looking for now. So thanks for watching. Special mention to Gareth, Chloe and Rambo.
And Gareth.
And Gareth. And Dad. Thanks for spending the time to come and see us. 12-hour round trip. Thank you ever so much, guys. Really appreciate it. We had a good laugh and it was good to see you. And remember, if you want better miles to the gallon, fit some road tyres, not them knobbly boogers. Other than that, if you need my help and assistance at all, contact details are at the end of the video, and give us a like, subscribe for more, and come again.